Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is mental pressure on students before entrance examination. Ladies and gentlemen, this video is suggested by Mr. Puneet Tiwari from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I must tell you that Mr. Puneet Tiwari is preparing for NEET, and along with that, he is also doing BSc in biology. Such a hard-working personality, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Puneet Tiwari. So thank you, Mr. Puneet Tiwari, for suggesting me such a crucial video. Thank you very much. Now, what type of mental pressure students actually experience while they are preparing for any kind of entrance examination? Ladies and gentlemen, there are basically two types of mental pressures. One is positive mental pressure and another one is negative mental pressure. Now, what is the difference between two? First of all, I would like to tell you what is positive mental pressure. When you have decided to appear in some entrance examination, you start thoroughly preparing for it. And how you prepare for it? You start reading relevant books related to that particular subject in which you have filled that entrance form. You purchase large number of books. You search large number of online sources. You purchase large number of previous year's question paper along with their answer booklet. And then at your home, you thoroughly prepare for 12 to 15 hours daily. You solve numericals, you learn theoretical concept, you learn all the practical concept, you practice by drawing diagrams related to specific subjects in which you have filled that entrance form. Not only this, you keep searching large number of online sources in order to upgrade your knowledge in reference to the entrance examination that you have filled up. Another thing that you do is you try to meet those people on regular basis who have already qualified the similar kind of entrance examination, so that you can get some guidance from those people that what was the real life scenario sitting in the examination hall when they were giving their paper. So you do all type of things, whatever you can, in order to qualify the examination. And by preparing so thoroughly, people become very confident about themselves that yes, we will qualify this particular entrance examination. We have studied very thoroughly. But still there is a kind of pressure on your head that what type of questions will come. And what will be the scenario sitting in the examination hall on the actual date of examination. But this is a positive mental pressure, ladies and gentlemen. Here you don't have any kind of negative feeling in your mind. You only think about what will be the scenario, what will be the sitting arrangements, whether I will be able to reach on time or not. So these type of things, they keep coming in your mind. I must reach on time. I must have all the necessary things. Now, in entrance examination, it happens that they ask you to come with 2 or 3 pens. One should be black in color, one should be blue in color, one should be red in color, according to the scenario of the examination. So you are having these type of things in your mind that I should be fully prepared before going inside the examination hall. I should be well dressed, and whatever accessories they require from students before sitting in the examination hall, I must be well equipped with all those accessories. So this is the kind of pressure that is on your head when you are thoroughly prepared for that examination. So this is positive mental pressure, nothing to worry about it. Another scenario is negative mental pressure. Now, what is negative mental pressure? Negative mental pressure is you are not properly prepared and you are having this fear in your mind that you will not be able to qualify the examination. This is the negative fear that you are having in your mind. Positive fear and negative fear. Positive fear is you are fully prepared. You have studied everything. Whatever question is going to be asked in examination hall, you are already well prepared for that. And you are having little bit things in your mind that whether I will be able to reach on time or not, whether I have all the necessary pen and paper and pencil or not. So this is positive mental pressure. Now, negative mental pressure is that you are absolutely unprepared. Although you are having enough time, before the actual day of examination for preparation, but still you were not very careful about your examination, and that's why you did not prepare thoroughly. So because of non-preparation, negative fear starts coming in your mind that whether I will be able to qualify the examination or not, whether I will be able to understand the questions that are asked or not. So this is negative mental pressure. So negative mental pressure comes when you are absolutely unprepared or you are half prepared. When you are absolutely unprepared or when you are half prepared, the pressure that comes in your mind, that is negative mental pressure. And when you are fully prepared, you are having all the knowledge of everything related to that particular subject, only positive pressure comes in your mind. Whether I will be able to reach on time or not, and whether I will be able to finish my answer on time or not. So this is negative, this is positive mental pressure, sorry. Here you are not thinking that I absolutely do not know anything and what I will do when the question paper will come in front of me. You are not having such thought in your mind that what will happen when question paper will come in front of me. What type of questions will be asked. But the person with negative mental pressure, he clearly knows that he has not prepared for the examination. So whatever pressure you are having in your mind, it is only the matter of preparation, ladies and gentlemen. That's why before going to any examination, any entrance examination specifically, you must be thoroughly prepared. Bring all the necessary books which are required for preparation of that examination in advance. Start searching online sources. Try to download all the necessary content which is required for preparation of that examination. Study thoroughly. Study for 12 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours every day according to your caliber. Try to meet people who have already qualified that particular examination so that you can get the idea that what they exactly did. So if you do the same thing what they did, you will also be able to qualify the examination. You will also be able to score the same type of percentage that they have scored. So these are few tips that you must keep in your mind that you must follow while preparing for a particular entrance examination. If you follow these tips, only positive pressure will come in your mind. But when you are absolutely not prepared, you are not taking your examination seriously. You are doing all the unnecessary things, but you are not preparing thoroughly for the examination. In that case, only negative pressure will come in your mind. And definitely, because of this negative pressure, you will not be able to qualify the examination. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, whether the pressure on your mind is negative or positive, it is only a matter of thorough preparation. So please prepare thoroughly. Don't be so tensed about examination that what will happen, what type of questions will be asked, what will be the duration of the examination. These things are not important. Only one thing is important, that before the date of examination, you are thoroughly prepared. Prepare yourself thoroughly and no negative pressure will ever come on your mind. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.